guys, thank you so much for being here. Now in this video I am doing wallpaper calculation. I have a couple of videos on the channel that I will link for you. It shows you how to calculate wallpaper if you're buying it in rolls. There's also one that shows you how to calculate when you have a pattern repeat. On the board we have a diagram which represents a wall. Now the wall is 10 feet high and 12 feet wide. There is a small 2x2 window in the middle. If that's your situation, just pretend there is no window and calculate your wallpaper, right? So let's get started. Let's pretend we are going to buy wallpaper that's 2 feet wide. We'll take this 2 feet and this 12 feet, which is the width of the room, and we will divide the 12 by 2, which is 6. Now we did that because we want to find out how many widths of this 2 feet wallpaper we will need to go across the wall. So if your wallpaper is 3 feet, then you divide by 3. What we'll do next is take this 10 feet and we will multiply that by 6. And that's 60 feet. And that is because we need 6 widths to go across. So it's 6 times 10. However, we need to calculate yards, right? So the next thing we'll do is take this 60 feet and we will divide by 3. The reason we divide by 3 is because there are 3 feet in a yard. Delivery. So 60 divided by 3 is 20. So we will need 20 yards of wallpaper to cover this wall. Now this is a good foundation for you to build off to cover any number of walls you want to cover in a room, if it's in your whole home. Just use this as the base and you're off to the races. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, be sure to leave your questions in the comment section below if you have any questions. Now, I think I'm going to do a separate video to show you what you do if there is a pattern repeat and you're buying wallpaper in yards. So stay tuned now. Share, share, share. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.